A toast to freeing some hearts and minds. To freeing this country that the Lord forgot about. While he's away, let's go do his housekeeping.
To hearts and minds! Hell yeah! To hearts and brains! Boom! We're coming!
Listen, buddy, you know how it is. I don't mean to sound hard on Tyr, but I need to keep my guys safe so we can do our job. I want to keep you safe, too. I want us all sitting around the table for Thanksgiving, proud of what we did for these people.
Okay.
Base 1, this is 555 actual. I've got a man on deck left behind. He's missed his meds. Please take care of him.
I got the afternoon, thank you.
Look! Hold on! Damn! Sorry, sir, I can't get you any closer to the crash site. Way too hot! Set us down. We'll march it.
He was talking to me. Take us down.
Nice spot! Yeah, nice spot!
Push on up! We'll take the high road! See you at the crash site, buddy! Move this thing now! Let's go, go, go! Let's go! I got you covered, buddy! Move on out!
Everybody stay frosty. These promise hand guys come from all angles.
Watch your step, buddy. The satellite says you're coming up on a valley packed full of bad guys. Give me a minute to clear them out. Base, 555 actual. Multiple hostile contact. I need a burn on the half-mile basin 80 yards north of my position. Pronto.
Copy that, 555. The burn is inbound. Hunker down, boys.
Bomb free. Pleasure doing business with you, boys. Godspeed. All right, Carpenter, get down and into the trees. I'll see you on the other side. Hey, Carpenter, you'll find things a whole lot easier with a dose of nectar in your blood. Hit yourself up, buddy.
Your pistol is just like
Hey, Carpenter, how you enjoying your nectar?
It's great. I feel like $1 million. The senses are razor sharp.
Slow down there, buddy, or you'll run out of cliches. By the way, if you haven't already, you've got to try sniping on nectar. Shooting fish in a barrel doesn't even come close. Carpenter, what's your status?
I'm getting there. You think the pilot can hold out long enough for us to get to the crash site?
If I were you, I'd be more worried about the cargo. Either way, we need to speed this up.
Copy that.
Yep. Imagine being here when the bombs came down. I bet they shit in their pants.
Yeah, right before them and their shitty pants got blown to pieces, man.
Morgan! Duval!
What's up, buddy?
You guys okay?
We're fine.
You sure?
Yeah. Why?
That screaming!
Just an animal. Just an animal.
Yeah, I heard you. How far are we from the site?
Not far. Push up. We'll see you there. Then we can get some chow.
Cover me! I'm moving now!
This is the crash site. The pilot's still alive. He'll be in the cockpit. All right, guys, I think that's the last of them. For now, at least. Copy that, Sergeant.
Looks like you opened a can on these guys. But they stole our nectar, man, so what's the point?
They got away with the nectar. Still, you might as well check on the pilot.
I'm here.
Hey. Hey.
I'm here. Are you hurt?
Look at me. Can you see me?
Yeah, I see you.
Do you know what I used to do before I joined up?
Don't worry about that. You can tell me later.
I was a boxer. Semi-pro.
Choke me up another one!
Administering.
Let's get out of here. Let's go.
Dude, we knock these asses down like Skittles!
45-1 actual requesting evac ASAP.
Copy that, 451. ETA 4 minutes. Just make sure there's a calm spot for touchdown.
Okay, guys, let's clear the area.
Clear the area? Looks pretty clear to me.
Yeah. Hey, you getting newbie nerves, man?
Hostiles! Clear him out! Buddy, you did good. Time to go. We're waiting for you at the cliff by the cockpit.
And that's how we do it! Whoosh! See you real soon! That was like taking candy from a cripple baby! I was all like pow, 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 yeah! And we did all that and we were a guy short! Man, I'm gonna kick Tier's ass when we get back! Yeah, kick his ass! I got some real nice pigs, sir! Real keepers! Sticking them straight up on the side!
Did you see the pilot?
I can't believe those little rats got away with our nectar.
I said, did you see the pilot? He looked healthy.
I heard you the first time, buddy. Let me run this by you. Say you're in the field and you've got 2 men injured. If you leave them both, they'll both die. So you could save one, but the other would still die. What do? You save one, right? Of course. You prioritize. Now you're asking me about something that was not a priority. So no, I wasn't looking. We went there so our men could get their meds. But those rats, those goddamn rats got away with our meds. And we need to settle the score. And their time will come.
Pictures up!